Greetings from New Zealand. My name's Heidi Seyfried of Seyfried Estate Wines, and you'll probably know me as the Classic South winemaker. Myself together with my family, grow grapes and make wine here in Nelson, the top of the South Island of New Zealand, and we've been doing so as a family since 1973. So my parents actually pioneered modern commercial wine grape production in the South Island, so we have a very long history in terms of the New Zealand wine industry. More recently, in the last couple of years, we are delighted to be working alongside Naked Wines in the UK to be able to bring Naked Wines customers wine straight from our vineyard. We've been making 2 wines this year. We've got our Classic South Sauvignon Blanc and our Classic South Pinot Gris. And I'm delighted to be able to say that 2010 was a great vintage for us in Nelson. I look forward to hearing your feedback, and hopefully you enjoy them as much as we've enjoyed putting them together for you.